Welcome to RhymeTime05. Today we are working with Unit 10, pages 62 and 63. Encyclopedia. Listen and find out. Equator. What happens on March 21st and September 23rd? What is halfway between the poles? What is the approximate distance around the Earth at the equator? Why is the equator like a belt? Listen and find out. Equator. Imagine a line around the middle of the world, like the belt in your pants. This is the equator, halfway between the North Pole and the South Pole. The distance round the Earth at the equator is over 40,000 kilometers. At 12 noon on March 21st and September 23rd, the sun is directly overhead the equator. Listen and find out. Fish. How big is a whale shark? What do 20 million Japanese do? How fast is a sailfish? Listen and find out. Fish. The biggest fish in the ocean is the whale shark. It is 18 meters long and weighs about 40 tons. The fastest fish is the sailfish. It can swim at over 100 kilometers an hour. Every year, we take almost 100 million tons of fish from the oceans. In many countries, fishing is a popular sport. In Japan, for example, more than 20 million people fish for fun. Listen and find out. Flies. What is the best temperature for flies? Where do flies come from? What time of year are flies most common? Listen and find out. Flies. You find more flies in your house in summer than in winter. Flies come from eggs, but the temperature must be between 24 and 35 degrees centigrade for the eggs to hatch. In summer, it is warmer than in winter. Flies often carry diseases. Listen and find out. Flowers. What is a rafflesia? How often does the plant produce flowers? What is pollination? Listen and find out. Flowers. The biggest flower in the world is called the rafflesia. It is 1 meter across, but the plant has flowers only once every 10 years. The wind or insects take pollen from one plant to another. This is called pollination. After pollination, plants make fruits or seeds. Listen and find out. Folk dancing. What is square dancing? What is folk dancing? What does folk dancing tell? Listen and find out. Folk dancing. We pass folk dancing from one generation to another. Folk dancing tells about what we do every day, how we work, how we play, how we travel. Square dancing is a kind of folk dancing. We dance in squares. We dance in straight lines. We dance in circles, and we dance in chains.